From that left corner pocket, gives it up to Quinto. Straightaway three is good. Gives it up to Newsom. Three ball on the way. Pangalawa na yan! Ball as Banquero. Didn't see the numbers in their favor, but found Bates getting behind the D.
To sit down Almasan, no? Pero naka-respond naman kaagad si Bates.
Quinto had to work for that catch. Shoots overseas. That's a Pringle. Now they get it to LA. On the floor, they go to Quinto. Inilapit ng bahagya. Quinto. Napatalbo. Now he goes down the middle. Bounces to Christian. Spins away. Cool from the outside. Punches it through. Chapin. Turns around. Off the 5 to shoot. Scotty's got to make it happen. Thompson goes reverse. Huli. Yan Misi. Banquero pa rin. Sobra naman. This RPTV powered by Sports.